guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I am back once again. I just uploaded my St. Patrick's Day makeup tutorial, but unfortunately, because of what is going on in the world, it was actually kind of canceled. So I decided to actually put that video up anyways and just show my creative side. So yeah, I hope you guys like that video. So yeah, as you can see, I just had a nice warm bath with Epsom salts because my injuries and all that have been really bothering me lately. So having a bath with Epsom salts really helps me. And yeah, this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And I actually got this in a Boxycharm a couple months ago actually, and I've tried it and I liked it. So I'm going to put this on right now, do something with my hair, do something with my makeup, and I'm not going to do anything drastic or anything. And so yeah, if you want to find out what I'm going to be talking about and what I'm going to be doing in this video, then please just keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, I just felt like throwing on a face and doing something quick with my hair, which I honestly didn't do much. I think I saw a clip in the back of my head. Yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah, so as you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be going through two different Boxycharm boxes. One I got in February, and then one I got just a couple days ago for this month. So I'm gonna go through the box that I got last month, which was February. So let's get that one. Okay, so I did take one item out of this box when I first opened it, but I still have everything else that I got in the box. I haven't even used it. So I don't even think I got the card back last month for this. Like, I couldn't even tell you what I got. Like, I couldn't even tell you what everything is worth. So yeah. So I don't believe that came in the box. So I got a beauty sponge by Illuminati cosmetic sponge. Yeah, I'm excited to use that. I want to like see if I can find like different sponges to use other than the Beauty Blender and the Real Techniques orange sponge. And this is actually, I have like probably like another one or two of these. This is the Queen or Queen. What are these? Liquid. I don't know if these are liquid lips or is this a different formula? Yeah, this is a liquid lip. Swatch it for you. So yeah, that was Wifey by Queen or Kaveen. I don't know how to freaking say it. There's a lot of brands that I don't even know how to say, so if I'm saying them wrong, let me know, I guess. And I got a few brushes. These are, I think I got a few of these before actually too. This is Alamar. Yeah, Alamar, I think that's how you say it. And then this is the brightening brush. The complexion. Okay, so the brightening brush. The complexion brush. And this is the bronzer brush. This I might actually use for the under eye brightener, which that's what it's used for, or what its name is, so that's good. This brush I might use for bronzer or blush, I'm not sure. So, and this probably for foundation, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's a foundation brush for me. Goes away. And then I was so excited to get this palette. I saw that a couple people got it on a couple of makeup groups that I'm following or like I'm a member of or something like that on Facebook. But this is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And this is such a pretty palette. I'm so excited. I know it's like a typical basic natural palette, but this is really pretty for me. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, so that was the first one. I know it's like quick and simple, but like I said, I used a couple of like the other two products that I used in it, but I can't remember what they are. Yeah. Okay, so that is the first box from the month of January. Now it's time for this month. I was actually really excited about this month because I saw a couple people got a couple different things that I really wanted, but I knew that I was only going to get 5 items. So, and I actually have the card for this one, so that's good. Alright, first item I opened, I was actually really excited that I got this because I saw pictures and posts and stuff that people got this. This is the 19mm mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. And like I said, it's just a mini one, and I had one of these before, like probably back in like high school. And instead of like leaving my hair down and curling it, I would put all my hair up in a ponytail and I would curl like the ends, and like, yeah, it was that's how I did it in high school. But wanted to try another one of these for the longest time, but like I have a lot of hair and it's really thick, so one of these isn't really suitable for me, but I don't know, I'm happy to have one again. And it comes with like the heat protectant sleeve, so that's awesome. And that friggin' mini curling iron is worth 50 bucks, so yeah. Oh my god, I gotta start like talking more in these videos. Like, I want to do like a Q&A, like post to like my Instagram, and like all my friends can like ask me questions that like I can record with and like answer on camera and like post it. So that's done. I'm excited to use that. What else do we got in here? Okay, since I'm wearing it. Okay. This is the Becca Glow Gloss in Dahlia, and it's the lip gloss I'm wearing, or the glow gloss that I'm wearing, and it's the shade Dahlia, like I mentioned. It's really pretty, nice and very shiny. If you like that shiny, it's not sticky. Like, I really like it, to be honest. Okay. And I'm not wearing this, unfortunately, because it didn't really, I don't know, I didn't really want to wear it, to be honest. And this is the KVD Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter in Gold School. It looks white in the thing right here. Let's see if I can get it. And like that thing right there. But when you crank a little bit out, I don't want to use too much because I actually really like this. When you crank, can I get the plate? Yeah, it's gold. It actually goes gold when it's actually applied. It's a really, really pretty shade. This next product is actually something I was really happy to get because I've used it before, and this is probably like a year and a half ago, and I haven't gotten it in a Boxycharm yet. So when I saw this in here, I was so happy. This is the Spongeli, I don't know how to say it, never have. This is the French Lavender Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Box just looks like this. And this is, like I said, this is a body wash plus a buffer, and it's also dermatologist tested, and it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages into the skin. And I'll show you what it looks like. It just looks like a flower like this. Up close, it looks like a sponge. It's really not firm, but not too squishy. Don't mind the broken nail again. I gotta get them fixed. But you can actually reuse this, so it's like a multi-use kind of like exfoliator sponge kind of thing. I haven't used it yet because I didn't use it when I did my bath earlier because I have my blue exfoliating gloves that I want to use up before I get back into using this. So yeah, I'm really, really happy to get this again. And once again, this is French Lavender. And this last item that I got, I was also really happy that I got. It's in one of the Boxycharm palettes. And I don't know if it's got a name, but yeah, it just looks like this on the outside. And these are all the shades. I was going to dig into this palette today, but I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I might do a video just based on this palette alone, which is what I like to do rather than dipping in between different kinds of palettes. So stay tuned, and you might see this palette up in a video soon. Okay, so I'm actually gonna tell you what all of this stuff cost. So, like I said, the mini ceramic curling iron was worth $50. The Kat Von D, or the KVD Vegan Beauty Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter is worth $25. The Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette is worth $39. That's crazy. The Becca Glow Gloss is worth $22. And the Spongel or Spongelli Body Wash Infused Buffer is worth $16. I can't remember when I first got this, when I first tested it out or first tried it out. I don't think it's in Sephora. I don't think so. I don't know. I probably found it at like Winners or I don't know. Somewhere like that. Oh. Yeah, so that was worth $16 and everything together is worth $152. Whoa. I'm actually really excited for this box. So, yeah. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this really short video on the 2 Boxycharms that I got for the month of February and the month of March. Yeah, that's the month we're in. So, like I said in the last video that I posted before this, the St. Patrick's Day look, I actually have a bunch, or maybe not a bunch, maybe a couple video ideas that I want to start coming out with. So yeah, I really hope everyone's safe out there with everything that's going on in the world. So make sure you wash your hands, sanitize, all that fun stuff to prevent yourself from getting sick and anything like that. I'm keeping myself quarantined in my house as well, so this is what I'm going to be doing for the next probably couple weeks to keep myself occupied and to keep myself sane. I don't know. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys except I love you. I'll see you in the next one, and please like and subscribe to this video and my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.